just got my package. Let's figure out what it is. Sometimes I forget what I order. I order so many things. It's my ice cream, son! Oh, almost forgot about this one. Came from all the way from China. Took a little while. So we got the charger, you know, the connector, and the piedra resistance. It's gonna look dope. We got the LED controller. I don't know what that's for. I guess it's for the sign. Connects to the sign, to the power. Yep. Should be. Anyways, shit is about to be lit. This sign is dope. I believe this is yellow. This is like some sort of brownish color, like the sign. This is gonna be dope. It's like geometric patterns, ice cream sign. Geometric patterns, ice cream sign. I love it. I love it.